Hello everyone, and welcome back to Brown Tech. So guys, today I've got something truly exciting for you. We are looking at Apple's latest and biggest flagship phone, the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, everyone is talking about this massive titanium device, but is it actually worth your hard-earned money? Or is it just a minor upgrade hidden behind beautiful marketing? Today, we are going to break down the absolute truth about this phone, the good, the bad, and everything in between, in the simplest way possible. And hey, before we jump into the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with the design. Now at first glance, it looks just like the previous iPhone. Apple didn't completely change the look here, but the moment you actually pick it up, you will feel the difference right away. This year, they have smoothly curved the titanium edges, making this massive phone incredibly comfortable and giving it a super premium feel in the hand. But guys, the real showstopper this year is definitely this display. We are looking at a gorgeous 120Hz ProMotion display. And look at those bezels. They are absolutely razor thin. Whether you are watching high-quality tech videos or playing graphic-heavy games, the visual experience is next level. Plus, outdoor visibility is insane. Even under direct, harsh sunlight, everything on the screen is perfectly clear and sharp. Now let's talk about performance, because inside this beast, we have Apple's latest A-series chip. And honestly guys, the speed is absolutely mind-blowing. No matter how many heavy apps you open or how long you play graphic-heavy games, this phone handles everything without dropping a single frame. But the real magic this year is Apple Intelligence. Trust me guys, this isn't just some useless marketing trick. From smart photo editing to a smarter Siri that actually understands what you need, Apple has integrated AI so deeply into the system. It truly makes your daily life so much easier. Alright, let's move on to the cameras, which is probably the main reason most of you want to buy this Max model. And let me tell you guys, the updated camera system is absolute next level. The brand new main sensor captures incredible details. Especially when you are taking photos at night, it keeps everything super sharp with almost zero digital noise. Just look at these low-light shots. And when it comes to video, the stabilization and low-light clarity on this phone are simply unmatched. If you are a content creator or love making lifestyle vlogs, this feature alone completely justifies the premium price tag. There is no doubt about it, guys. Apple is still the undisputed king of smartphone video. Now, what about the battery? Well, it's a Max model, so it's an absolute tank. For casual users, it will easily last you 2 full days. And even if you are a heavy user, you will get through the day with plenty of juice left. Battery anxiety is completely gone, guys. So here is my final verdict. If you are currently using an iPhone 15 Pro or 16 Pro, you really don't need to rush out and upgrade. But if you are coming from an older phone and you want the absolute best display, battery, and camera combination on the market right now, then the 17 Pro Max is a fantastic choice for you. But hey, I want to hear from you. Are these updates enough for you to buy it? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Brown Tech for more premium tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!